In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Python in Conda environment. Step 1. Open Mini Conda. Step 2. Activate your desired environment. Python and press Enter. Wait a while and press 1 to proceed. Installation completed. Like, share and subscribe.